Hello everyone, it's me, Doodle Bob or Elon, and welcome to a first video that's not animation on my second channel. Today we are doing a little challenge. Today I put a piece of my nail. See that? See that little guy? It's gone. It's gone, I tell you. It's gone. I put it in him. Tung Tung sahur. Tung Tung sahur. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave him right here on this table, and I'll just, like in my 3 a.m. video on my first channel, I'm gonna stay in the bathroom. And it is broad day morning, so I'm not sure if anything will happen, so yeah. You have to wait and see. Bye. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes now, so let's check up on him. Actually, no. There we go. Is he there? Oh my. He's gone. Yo. He's literally gone. Where did it go? Or where did it go?
Tung 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 Tung.
Did y'all hear that? Freak. Freak. Yo, I think something's here. I think something's in my house now. Hold on. Check.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali.
Oh my god, guys, it was Tung sahur. He's in my house. Or what if the clay thing came to life because of my nail? Oh my god, guys. Yo, I gotta get this thing out of my house ASAP. But what do I do? What do I do? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try and make it to another spot. I'm just not sure. Oh, shoot. Right here. Where do I hide it? Right here. Right there. Oh god. Guys, he was literally right there. Oh my god. Yo, what do I do? Wait. Tung some more. Wait, we can talk about this. No.